Hi everyone! In today's video, I want to show you 3 different courses about making money online in 2024, 2025. This is what everybody wants to do. You might want to quit your job and make money online. So we have 3 different courses that are going around social media right now, and I've got them all. And I want to show you what you can get inside. So I'm talking about DWA, UBC, and Catalyst Collective. They're great courses, but different in a way. So each of them has something that the other one doesn't have. So maybe you will like one, but not another one. And I don't want you to make the wrong purchase if you want to buy one or the other. So, because as we know, there's no refund when you buy a digital product. So you might as well just make the right choice right ahead. So I'll show you inside all these courses, and hopefully that will help you for whatever is best suited to your needs. Okay, so the first course we're going to go through is Catalyst Collective. So Catalyst Collective is really geared towards Instagram. So if you want to know everything and anything about Instagram, how to grow your business on Instagram, this is the course. So you always have in all of the courses that we're going to talk about, you always have a community, classroom, calendar, members, leaderboards, about. So here you can ask your questions. As you can see, I'm going to show you everything here. Wins and celebrations, growth strategies, ambassadors, news, help each other, collaboration, and general discussion. I have posted multiple questions here, and you get a response on the same day, like literally maybe a few hours after. So it's very dynamic. People are very active, which is great. So the teacher of this course is Brooke Shelton, and she is a former Meta employee. So she knows, and she trained the algorithm. So she knows everything and anything about Facebook and Instagram. So if you want to grow a business on Instagram, so you can work from anywhere in the world with just this platform, Catalyst Collective is great. I highly recommend it. I'll show you the classroom, what you get. So you get a lot of modules. So you get the affiliate modules. If you want to promote the course, you have everything you need to promote, the emails, the photos, the screenshots of wins and testimonials and everything. So it's pretty, no, that's pretty cool actually. Then you have a bot here, so you can audit your own account with this bot. Uh, really good, very new. I've never seen it in any other course actually. You need to have the course to get access to this bot. So you won't have access to it unless you're part of the community. Spark is another course that you can buy separately. It's $55, and it's only about Instagram growth, and that's all. Like how to start an account and grow it fast. So if you're part of the Catalyst community, you can have access to it without paying an extra for it, which is good. So Catalyst Collective is also available in Spanish as of now. It might be available in many more languages later on, but as of today, it's only in Spanish and English. So again, you get modules about when you're a beginner, how to start, $1 million mindset, identity, branding, funnels, beacon, stand store, email marketing, Instagram setup. So if you're brand new and you don't know anything about Instagram, but you want to start an online business using this app and make money online from anywhere, that's it. Growth, you can train the algorithm. There's a way of doing it. It's super interesting. So the full course was just revamped recently. So I already went through all the modules. So now I would have to go again through all of them to tick them. So all the modules are in videos like that. They're usually very short videos, so don't worry. 3 minutes 34 for this one. 30 minutes, 2 minutes. So yeah, so I would have to go through all of them again, but I already went through all of them before, so I don't want to go through everything again. I might do it because I'm sure there are some new things. So yeah, that's what you get: email marketing, setup, growth, first month, how to go viral, research, market research. So here you get everything you need to post on the first month: copywriting, sales, psychology, and a second page: story selling, DM sales, objections, so everything about sales, the ads. So if you want to run ads on Facebook, super interesting because a lot of courses are not going through that. But Brooke was also running ads for big companies, very, very famous and big companies. So she knows everything about ads. Great. This is a great part of the course. So AI for entrepreneurs, wellness, FTC compliance foundations. You have the Q&As, DFY, the audits. So this is a great module. It's Brooke auditing people from the community's accounts, Instagram accounts, giving advice on what to do and not to do with their accounts. So you get really good tips, like in each video. Actually, in each video you get good tips. So I went through it all, as you can see again. Guests, so you have guest speakers as well, giving excellent advice. So successful people that are making a lot of money online are there. The recordings, Q&A with Brooke, and founder files. So I didn't check that, and there's a bonus here that I did. So here it's a 12-minute video. So this is for Catalyst Collective. So now we're going to go to another course, and we're going to talk about UBC. So same principle. You get a classroom, community, calendar, members, blah blah blah, all that. Here, all the time, you get the testimonials, and then you have the community in English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Portuguese. So if we go to the classroom now, so here the difference with this course and Catalyst Collective is going to be, in my opinion, that's what I noticed, that you get a full module on YouTube and TikTok. So you get modules on YouTube, TikTok, CapCut, VLLO, a men's module that you don't have in Catalyst Collective. Affiliate marketing is in Catalyst Collective as well, affiliate program. And you also get the course in, so brand deals, that you can find in Catalyst Collective as well. The live recordings, it's in all the courses as well. But this course, the UBC one, comes into different other languages. So you get it in Spanish, you get it in French, you get it in German, and let's go back in the community, German and Portuguese, and that's it. So English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Portuguese. Catalyst Collective only comes in Spanish and English as of now. So if you're more comfortable learning in your own language, and if you want to know about YouTube or TikTok, Catalyst Collective does not cover those. So then I would recommend UBC. It's a very dynamic course as well. The teachers are great, very, very dynamic. They're dynamic people. So yeah, so it's a great course. I feel like it covers a little bit more, but it's probably not as detailed in Instagram as Catalyst Collective is, because this is only about an Instagram course and how to build your business on Instagram. So if you don't want to go over different social media platforms to grow your business, you just want Instagram, Catalyst Collective is for you, in my opinion. So now we're going to the last course, the DWA one. So again, same principle. You go to classroom, calendar, members, and all that. If we go to classroom, this is the course. So I did not start that one yet. I think I reviewed a little bit, but it's very similar to the LipoMax course that I have, and I used to promote, but now the community is gone. So I just want to take the DWA one because everybody is really talking about it everywhere, and I want to know, okay, what is different in this course? So the one thing I will say is that it is very pretty, the way it's presented. You get a lot of modules. There's a men's module as well over here. Faceless marketing is everywhere. In all the courses, you have a CapCut one. Yeah, I started to review that one. Super interesting as well. Content creation, I haven't reviewed. There's a Canva one on this one, like a special Canva one that you don't have in the other ones. So that would be a bonus in this one. Full business automations, ManyChat. So that's like in pretty much all the courses. Nothing different. And then affiliate marketing is everywhere. UGC is pretty much everywhere too. Monetize mentorship is not everywhere. So that would be a bonus. Selling on Facebook. Well, Catalyst Collective is about Instagram, but you have the ads on Facebook. So it's not really covering Facebook per se, but the ads are on Facebook. So this one would be, we can check the videos, 3-minute videos. They're pretty short videos all the time. As you can see, this is good, I think, because it's easier to follow along when you have short videos. Because you might not have like a full hour ahead of you to watch a full module. You want to, doing in small steps. It's way easier. So leverage your group for dollars, for money, tools and resources. Important. Thank you. Okay, so that's pretty much to sell on Facebook with groups. So this course comes in different languages as well, and it's got another language that doesn't come in UBC. We know that Catalyst Collective only comes in 2 languages. This one has Italian. So if we go to, let me take you to the second page too, so you can see what you get. So we check those. Selling on Facebook, sales mastery. There's a module for men's branding, PLR, and then you see the course in different languages. So Spanish, French, Italian. This is the one you don't have on UBC. You get the German and the Portuguese. And again, you get a recorded training calls, FAQ, and some merch here, which doesn't come in the other courses. I don't know if you want merch. DWA logo, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Here you go. So this is what you get. So my final advice is, this will be it. If you want to just grow on Instagram, I would recommend you take Catalyst Collective, because it's only specializing in Instagram and just Instagram. So you will know much more about Instagram having that course. If you want to learn about YouTube, you go to UBC, because the module is on YouTube, and also TikTok is on UBC. I didn't see that module in DWA either, by the way. So to learn about these modules, growing on YouTube and TikTok, UBC will be for you. And if you want to learn in Italian, you have no choice but to take DWA, because there's no Italian in the other courses. And it is also like a very, very, it's probably one of the most popular course. It's that one, it's DWA. I see it everywhere. I see a lot of UBC as well around. And Catalyst Collective is newer, so, and it's really like specialized in Instagram. So if somebody wants to grow on other platforms, it's probably not the one. DWA is more of a beginner friendly course for someone who never ever learn about digital marketing whatsoever. You want to learn like as a brand new person in the field. DWA is great for that. I heard so many good comments about that. UBC will be for someone who already knows about digital marketing, social media in general, and you just want to advance your knowledge, um, level up your knowledge, I would say, about making money online. UBC would be great. And if you just want to work on Instagram and that's it, that would be Catalyst Collective. Thanks everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. It helps me to grow this little channel that I have. It's growing very slowly lately. But also, if you have purchased one of these courses and if you have a comment about one of these courses, an experience you want to share with all of us, please go ahead and leave a comment below. And if you have any questions about any of these courses, I'll be happy to help you. And I'll see you on the next video for a new way of making money online or sharing a new tool that will help you to make money online going forward in 2025. See you guys.